Configuring a Wi-Fi network in your app allows all your driving data to be sent anonymously to InMotion, allowing us to improve the system's detection strategy and thus your safety. So, how can you know if a new update is available? And how can you get it? Let's find out. Step 1. Configuring your Wi-Fi in your mobile app. To configure your Wi-Fi, all you need to do is follow this simple procedure. Switch on your InBox and connect it to the My InBox mobile app. Go to the Wi-Fi network page in the menu. The app will now search the nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the one that suits you and enter your password, then click on Configure. Once configured, the InBox will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi as soon as it's switched on and plugged into the mains socket. Some Wi-Fi networks aren't compatible though, so be sure to check your user manual for more info. Now that your Wi-Fi is configured, let's see how to synchronize and download software updates. It's important to note that the InBox is independent. It doesn't need to be connected to the application to detect an accident. However, a minimum of 1 connection a year and once a month for monthly subscriptions is mandatory. If you don't connect your InBox, it will block automatically and won't be functional until the next time you connect it. Step 2. How to know if an update is available and how to download it. When an update is available, a notification will appear on the homepage of the My InBox mobile app. A red cross will also appear on the update page. Once the Wi-Fi is configured, the updates will automatically be downloaded as soon as the InBox is turned on and plugged in to the main socket in the same area as your Wi-Fi network. Once it's plugged in, your InBox will start flashing blue. If the 2 LED lights on the top of your InBox flash blue simultaneously, this means your InBox is searching for your Wi-Fi. If they flash blue at the same time, the synchronization and/or the updates are downloading. You can unplug your InBox at any time. However, be careful not to turn it off using the main switch while it's synchronizing. Note that multiple updates can be available at the same time. In this case, you will have to go through the procedure again. Not at home? No worries. Since the Galibier 5.3.0 version, it's also possible to download the updates straight from your smartphone. To do this, remove the InBox from the vest, switch the device on and launch the My InBox app. Be sure to turn your phone's Wi-Fi on so that it can connect to your InBox. 2 lights on the top of your InBox will now flash simultaneously. This means the update is downloading. Be careful not to turn off your InBox while it's updating. Once the update is downloaded, the InBox will make a sound and a green light will appear. Once the update is done, your app will let you know. If you have any questions whatsoever, contact InMotion. Follow us on social media and see you soon.